PMS or Pre Menstrual Syndrome is a very common experience for so many women. In fact, so much so that it's considered to be normal for a great many women to experience symptoms prior to the beginning of their menses each month, including symptoms such as bloating, irritability, mood swings, pain and discomfort, backache, headache. For some people, the pain can be so debilitating. Particularly, I see more and more common in young girls, 14, 15, 16 years old, that they cannot go to school, they cannot study. Fear comes up, fear that they will vomit on the bus or that they cannot focus and concentrate. And they take analgesic pain relief, allopathic medicines, more and more so, to deal with these symptoms. And of course, this does not address the cause of what should be a symptom-free process. A healthy menstrual cycle has none of these symptoms. It affects women of all ages, and it is so common. But there are things in Ayushakti, Ayurveda, that can address this. So, Dr. Smita, Naram, how does Ayushakti deal with PMS?
Yeah, basically we believe that PMS is because of the hormonal imbalance and also a lot of excess value in the body, excess air in the body. And there is a very specially designed process for women in Ayushakti, which has come out of last 20 plus years of experience, known as PMS detox. So PMS detox is a kind of a process where you do a detoxification for 2 to 3 weeks, and that removes all those inflammations, toxins around the pelvic area. It flattens the whole tummy, and the hormone is balanced completely naturally. And after that, girls or the women who does that, they don't really get menstrual cramp or bloated, and all the troubles during menstruation is completely gone.
Wonderful. Yes, it's wonderful. And what herbs does Ayushakti use?
Yeah, we use Sri Sati, which is very, very effective for PMS.
Yes.
Then we also use Nari Shakti Churna, which strengthens the female system very well, and Amrutras for balancing Vata and Pitta, both, so that vomiting is not happening, headache is not happening during periods, and bloated and pain is not happening.
Fantastic. And diet?
Yeah.
What diet do you specifically recommend?
Yeah, it's important to follow a specific diet during menstruation. Particularly 1 week before menstruation, we always start getting symptoms like bloated feeling, tightness in the legs or calf muscles, a little bit, or some heaviness in the head or something. That time it's important to eat very light. Start eating cooked vegetables, rice and lentils, maybe a little bit fish or chicken, but not much of meat actually at all, or khichdi, which is very cleansing as a diet. So this kind of food, if you follow last week of the cycle all the time, then generally you don't get any pain or any cramp during menstruation. Also during menstruation, completely avoid salads and heavy beans like chickpea, kidney beans, all these things which produces gas. Or white refined flour, like white flour bread or white flour rotis, chapatis, all these things, they cause inflammation and gas, and that causes further bloated and pain and vomiting and all kinds of problems during menstruation.
Yes, that's wonderful. And is there any specific home remedy?
Yeah, one can do 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ajavain seed powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of black salt powder, 1 pinch of asafoetida. If this is taken with 1/2 glass of water 2 times a day for several months, then one can feel a big change in PMS.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Smita.